Hello fans, welcome back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the dark mode on Windows 10. So as you can see that when I right click on the desktop, here is a white background and there is a bluish and a whitish background which mostly disturbs, or you can say have a stress on your eyes or brain while you're using. If you are a computer stick user, the person who keeps stick to the computer, he might feel a lot of disturbance when it is normal, or you can say the white mode. So today we are going to tell you about a simple procedure from where you can change your Windows mode to dark. So first of all, we have to click right, personalize, and then go to the home settings. So from here you can see everything here is in blue. All menus, all setting menus and icons are in blue while the background is whitish, right? So what we are going to do is we have to go to personalization, and here you can see on the left tab there are a lot of options like background colors, lock screen, theme, fonts, start, taskbar, and there are related settings on the right side. So from here we will go to the colors. Okay, so from color you can also choose the color you like, or you can do it to custom. So you've seen that your default Windows mode here is in dark, but your default app mode is in light. So what we are going to do is we are going to click dark, right? So from here everything is darkened and the white background is changed to the black one. I go to the home button, and here you can see all the settings are still in same conditions. Their text was in black, now it is converted into white, while the background and everything is in black. Same is happening with the search bar. It was white before and right now it is the black one. Okay, let me see the home right click menu. I right click here and you can see same, everything is changed to the dark mode. Let's go to the main home menu, and here also everything is changed to the dark mode. Okay, so most of the people have some issue like they open the browser and that is not changed. So let us see the Google Chrome background is changed or not. Okay, I have opened it, and from here you can see it is having a theme and it is not having any black background. So let me check the theme, and here the settings are automatically changed into the black background. And let me go to the appearance, let me go to the theme, and let me reset it to default and see does it change with the Windows or not. Reset to default, and you go here and you can see it is automatically changed to the dark version. Okay, let us try one more thing. We go to personalize, we go to color, and we change the dark color to custom, and after that we click default Windows light and see what happens. Okay, you can see the app remains same, but the Windows main taskbars, they are turned white, and that menu is again white. Okay, right, I turn off the Chrome and then I restart, and let me see what is the background. Okay, it is still going with the Windows. Alright, that is very good thing that is going with the Windows. So let me tell you, if you want to change your whole Windows to the dark mode, all you have to do is turn the dark here, while other effects remain the same, and after that you can close it and you can see everything here is in dark. So that was all from today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.